Today we're going to be stretching using a chair, either sitting on the chair or using the back of the chair. We are going to stretch calves, hamstrings, hip flexors, quadriceps, and now let's begin with our first exercise. If you are not already seated on your chair, just comfortably sit on your chair. Don't go too back, a little bit forward, halfway sitting on the chair. You're going to bring your right leg on top of your left knee and you're going to rest your right hand on top of your right knee. You are not going to press down. I'm not going to ask you to do anything like that. Just let it rest there. And while we breathe in and out, we are going to lower chest down. We are going to hold the position, hold the stretch for 15 seconds. So passive stretch. Let's go. And deep in. Exhale and lower chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax the back of your neck. Remember to keep a straight line all the way through your spine. Don't arch or round your back. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, recover up and change to your other side. Again, breathe in and lower down. You should be feeling the stretch on your hamstring and glutes muscles. Don't forget to keep breathing. Relax the back of your neck and just rest on top of your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to breathe in and out. 15 and recover up. Exercise number 2. You're going to stand behind the chair, quite far away because we are actually going to lean forward so we can stretch our calves. Now you can rest on your forearms or you just can rest with your hands. That's fine. Now what we're going to do is we are going to bend right knee, and while we lean forward, we are going to feel that stretch on that left calf. Yes? We are going to hold it for 10 seconds. Let's go. Bend your right knee, lean forward and feel the stretch on that left calf and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it. 9, 10. Awesome stretch. And now bend your left knee and feel the stretch on your right calves. Breathe in. Press down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for sure you forgot to keep breathing. Don't forget to keep breathing. Exercise number 3. We are going to stand in front of the chair, but we're going to move slightly towards a wall so we can support ourselves, because what we're going to do is we're going to stand one leg on the chair. This time it's going to be right leg for me. You're going to step forward with your left leg. We are going to bend left knee, but your knee is not going to go over the toes. Rather, it's going to stay slightly behind, and we are going to press that right hip forward while we bend. And we're going to hold that for 10 seconds. Ready? Breathe in. Bend while we breathe out. Press hips forward. Square facing forward both hips. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press 9, 10. Awesome. Recover up and change to your other leg. Breathe in. Bend knee and press your left hip forward. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10. Awesome, recover, up. Now, we are going to stay with legs in parallel position. My left leg is going to be in the middle of the chair, and we are going to position right foot on top of your left knee. We are going to bend the left knee. We're going to sit back. Don't arch your back, engage core muscles, and we hold this position, stretching the hamstrings there. And hold it for 1. Sit back and feel those glutes and hamstring muscles stretching on your right leg. 8, 9, 10. Awesome. You're going to change to the other side. Ready? Bend and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, everyone. We are going to stand right leg on top of the back of the chair. Can be done parallel or can be done turn out. I'm going to do it parallel. I want to make sure that my hips are square, facing forward, they are level. And from here, you can either use the wall to support yourself once again, or you can lean forward, hold the chair, breathe in, hand out, lower your chest down while your toes are flexed, pointing up, and we are going to hold it for 10 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press that right hip back and bring your left hip forward. 2 more. 8, 9, 10. Recover up. We're gonna change. Breathe in. Lower chest down. Press your left hip back, right hip forward, toes flex facing up, and 1. 5. With each breath in and out, get closer to your leg. Chest keep lowering down. Challenge that stretch. Awesome. 9, 10. Recover up. And just like that, we finish. I love the video. I hope that you enjoyed as well. If you did so, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, because every time I upload a video, you will get the direct notification. Now, I can't wait to see you in my next class.